Good morning, madam.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning,
How
ma'am.
are you all? Good. Okay, so we have Mahi, Kirtan, Shubhi, Shrushti, Aditya, Priyanshu, Dhruvi. Okay, I hope you all are doing good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so let's wait for another 1 or 2 minutes for others. But we have discussed the number systems. So what I will do is for new students, I will send the PPT and the PDF again because others have joined, afterwards. Like my first class was only with 2 new students. So I'll send the material today. Okay, you read it and refer the other material that I have already, send you like the links and all. Okay. So, yes, Anuj, how are you? You're good? You're on a terrace or what?
In the house.
In the house. Okay, so
Good
what
morning.
we are going to discuss, good morning. What we are going to discuss today is conversion from one number system to other. I'm just waiting for 1 or 2 minutes so that others can also join and then I will start. Yesterday, what last class what we discussed was type of number systems. Okay, any doubts in those topics that we have already discussed? How many number systems do we have? You can all keep yourself on unmute because I will talk to you. Only once I start teaching, I will put you on mute. So who will answer? Manish will answer how many number systems have we studied? Manish.
We study first of all decimal number,
Hmm.
then binary,
Yes.
then octet number system,
Hmm.
then hexa.
Hexa. Okay, Kirtan. The base of decimal number system. The base of decimal number system. Now don't pretend that you can't hear me.
No, no, ma'am. I can hear.
Is it that difficult? फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड का क्वेश्चन है फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड का यस दृष्टि माय डियर इफ यू कैन आंसर
It's 10.
इट इज 10 टेल कीर्तन भाई 10 है 10 डेसिमल 10 ओके देन बाइनरी आदित्य बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम्स बेस 2 okay octal who will answer I'm looking for new students see new students have this disadvantage but it is okay. Yes, no new student is left. I have asked all, and others are yet to join. Shell and all, they have not joined. Okay, then Mahi will answer. Mahi, octal number systems base.
8.
8.
8.
Hexadecimal number systems base. Gia. Gia has that rule, 10th wala. Don't speak anything in Trishna madam's class.
7.
Gia?
7.
7 तो है ही नहीं. There is no base 7. There is 8, there is 10, there is 2, and there is 16. Okay, so hexadecimal number systems base is 16. Okay, so rather than wasting a lot of time on asking you questions, let's start with share screen and don't give me your own answers. Don't tell me that 5 is the base and 20 is the base. Don't do that. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen. We should not. Okay, today the internet is not stable, so you will have to be a little patient. I might disconnect and I'll connect again. Don't worry, Priyansh is sitting so nicely as if he is in a garden. Bhai, sit straight, Priyansh. Okay, so I'm sharing the screen now. Let's go to the topic. Okay, I'll put all of you on mute. Where is mute all button? You can, unmute yourself if you want. I'm having a little difficulty with my internet connection today, so have patience. Okay, let's try our best. So we were supposed to discuss the conversion from one number system to the other. Yes, let's see from current slide. Number conversions. I hope you can see this. Yes. Okay, from tomorrow, all of you will join at sharp 9 o'clock. Priyansh. Okay, you have wasted 5 minutes. You think that I'll wait for you for 5 minutes? Not possible.
Ma'am, I joined only before 9:1 or 9:2.
But I could not see you. What happened? Okay, so let us start number conversions. Now today you need a pen and a pencil with you. You will have to make notes if possible. See, if you are using mobile, it will be difficult that you can make note. But if you are using a laptop or desktop, it is not that difficult. You can easily see because I will put one image on the whole screen. So you can easily make a note or make a short note of whatever the main points are. Okay. So first number conversion is decimal to binary conversion. Today we have already, I hope you already know the basis of all the number systems. I have asked only few students, but that doesn't mean that others will think we don't know. That is okay. Base is very important. Today you will come to know why did I ask you the base of all four number systems. So here decimal to binary conversion means if I give you a number like 9 or 15 or 23 or 253, you will have to convert it into binary number system. Binary number system means a system which has only two digits, 0 and 1. So you will give me the answer in the form of 0101 only. There will be no 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 digit in, that number. That is our conversion that we are looking for. So there are some rules that you will have to follow. This is math kind of an activity. There is a little of math, or I should say math is only there in this conversions. So what we will do is the method of converting decimal to binary is repeated division method. Means we will keep dividing the number with 2. For conversion, follow the rules. There are rules. First is divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Write down the remainder. Now please understand that when you divide a number with 2, remainder is the important thing. We want remainder. And divide the quotient. We are not interested in the quotient and the dividend, or what do you call it when you divide one number by the other. We are not interested in. We are going to store remainders and the collection of remainders. That will be our result. Don't worry, we will solve an example. Nothing to worry. This is just the steps that I am telling you. Then we will keep doing this. Repeat step 2 till the quotient is 0. So keep doing this, keep doing this. We will keep dividing the number with 2 and we will collect the remainder. Now, if you understand this, if the number is odd, the remainder will be 1. If the number is even, the remainder will be 0. Now, again, let me tell you what is remainder. Okay, I'm writing here only. I have no problem. Suppose I have 5 pens with me. 5 pens or 5 chocolates. Let us see. Let us take chocolates because most of the students, they like chocolates. So I have 5 chocolates and I want to divide this equally between 2 students. Okay, so 5 chocolates and 2 students. What will I do? What will I do? I can give two chocolates to each, both the students. Now 1 chocolate is extra. Do you understand? Now I cannot break 1 chocolate and give half to one student and half to the other. So what is that 1? That 1 is a remainder. Remainder is extra. After dividing 5 chocolates equally between 2 students, I am, left with 1 chocolate that I cannot share between 2 students. So that is called remainder. Do you understand this logic? Please remember this. Okay, in Java, we have used remainder operator very frequently, but for the especially the new students, they don't know what is remainder operator. Remainder operator is used with this sign in Java, percentage sign. Don't worry here, sign does not matter because in conversions, we will use the division method. So here percentage sign ka you don't need. Okay, now tell me if I have 4 chocolates, what will I do? I have 4 chocolates and I have 2 students. My life is very simple. I will give 2 chocolates each and khatam. So here what is the remainder? What is extra? There is nothing extra here. Okay, so this is your remainder operator. You will have to understand this to solve these conversions very, very clearly understand this. Otherwise your conversions will be wrong. This logic you have to apply everywhere. Now let us see the example which I have already solved. This is the example. Decimal to binary conversion. Our first conversion is D to B. We call this D to B. Sorry for my poor handwriting, but I'm using mouse. So it will be like this only, like your handwriting. Yes, Anuj? Okay. So 25 is the number. I want to convert it into binary. So what should I do? Example is given here. We will discuss it. Now the thing is that why are we dividing with 2 only? If you divide 25, see, math mein hum kya karte hain? If I have to find the factors of 25, you all have done this, I hope. Math student or no math student. Yes. What I will do, 5 5s are 25. Chalo khatam. Then 5 1s are 5. So what are the factors? 5. So this is my answer. But here I'm not doing it. Why am I writing 2 only? Do I like the number 2? No, I don't like number 2. The thing is that you have to divide the number with the base of the number system which you want the result in. I'm converting from decimal to binary. So binary ka base is 2. So I can divide only with 2. Now you cannot start with 2 and go for 3, 4, 5, 6 here. No, not possible. Only 2. The main rule is this. That's why base is important, I told you. So when I divide 25 with 2, don't write 12.5 here. No. We will divide the number fully. I cannot just break the chocolate and give it to one student here, one student here. Okay. So when we divide 25 by 2, we are getting 12. So 12 chocolates I can give to one student. 12 chocolate I can give to the second student. And what is extra? Extra is 1. So where is that extra? It is here. Please remember, if the number is odd, remainder will be 1. If the number is even, remainder will be 0. That's why we are getting only 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. And that is what we want. We want only 0, 1, 0, 1 because the number system that we want the answer in is binary, which has only 2 digits. 0, 1, 0, 1. That is the logic. Please understand. So this is our first remainder. First time when we have divided 25 by 2, we have got 1 as remainder. Store it here. Don't rub it. The method of solving these questions are like this only. You cannot write this 1 here or somewhere else. You have to write it straight in this line because that makes a difference. I'll tell you why. Okay, now the number is 12. So again, you have to divide by 2 only. Now don't act smart and write 3 4s are 12 khatam, conversion khatam. Okay, don't write like that. You have to write 2 here because you are converting to binary. So here 2, now 2 6s are 12. So what is the remainder? If I have 12 chocolates, I want to divide between 2 students. 6 6 de do, khatam. 0 remainder. Now store the remainder here. Now the number is 6. Again, we will divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. I hope you know math. 2 3s are 6. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Again, now 3. Now 3 is an odd number if you remember. So 2 1s are 3. What is the remainder? 1. Now here this is 1. Please understand, this is very, very important. If I have only one chocolate and I have to divide it between 2 students. Suppose the students are Anuj and Priyansh, because I can see their face on the screen. So Anuj and Priyansh, they are there and I want to divide one chocolate between them. What will I do, you know? I will break the chocolate and give it to them? No. I will say that we will fight. So I will keep the chocolate with me. See, I'm so smart. I will not divide the chocolate at all because the number of chocolates is less than the number of people from, to whom I want to give the chocolates. So because 1 is smaller than 2, you cannot divide 1 by 2. So this 1 is the remainder which I'm writing here. Priyansh, you keep yourself on mute, my dear. Okay, do you understand? So the last digit where you get 1, you cannot write 2 1s are 2 or 2 1s are 1. It is not possible. So take this remainder here directly. So now let me repeat myself. When the number is 25, I am dividing by 2. So 2 12s are 25. Remainder is 1. This remainder is here. I'm not writing here. You will get confused. So here, when I'm dividing 25 by 2, answer is 12. Remainder is 1. Now 6 2s are 12. Remainder is 0. Now 3 2s are 6. Remainder is 0. Now 2 1s are 3. Remainder is 1. Let me rub this. Let me erase all this and I'm going to write again. Okay, I will clear the. Okay, so now I hope that you have understand this basic. I'm going to repeat myself once again. And then if you have doubt, you can tell me that I have not understood. 25 is the number which I want to convert in binary. So the rule is divide only with 2. Many of my students make this mistake. They start dividing with 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever they want, like division. This is not division. If this is division, then the rule is that you have to divide with the base of the number system which you want to get the result in. So 2 12s are 24, 1 is remainder. 2 6s are 12, 0 is remainder. 2 3s are 6, 0 is remainder. 2 1s are 2, 1 is remainder. Now this 1 is smaller than 2, so bring it here. Now what is the answer then? Do we have an answer here? No, we don't have an answer here. We have the answer here. The answer is the remainders that you have collected in the bottom to top order. The order cannot be like this. This is not the order. Please understand this. The order is different. The order is not from top to bottom. The order is from bottom to top. So what is the answer then? The answer is 1 1 0 0 1. Now the answer is here. So if you convert 25 to binary number system, the answer will be 1 1 0 0 1. Now, do you understand why binary system is difficult for humans to understand? If I tell you, if you are 25-year-old and I ask you what is your age, you will tell me 11001, then I will get a heart attack that how you are 11,001-year-old. Do you understand what I'm saying? Huh? You don't smile also. People don't smile. Why? Unmute yourself and tell me if you have any doubt. Okay, we have 18 participants today. I don't know how many have not joined and why they have not joined. One I know is Shell from 11th B. Then who has not joined, who were there last time? Any idea? New students, I don't remember their names. Vandan, you switch on the camera, my dear. Vandan. They changed the decision so quickly to go to P.
Ma'am, Vansh is not there.
Okay, what happened to Vansh? No idea. It's okay. Okay, it is okay. Give me 1 minute. I have to take attendance. Just a minute. Tell me if you have any doubt. I ask you for doubts. That's why I have stopped sharing. Any doubts?
No doubts.
No doubts. Wow. That is the worst thing, you know. If you don't
Ma'am,
have.
ma'am, can you give more conversions? Like,
Bhai, you don't know how many conversions I will give you. Who has asked this question? Tell me your name. Huh?
Aditya.
Oh, Aditya. Okay, new student. That's why. Don't worry. I will give you lots and lots of conversions for your homework, and I will also solve one more conversion. Don't worry. This is just the beginning. Okay. So not to worry, but tell
Okay,
me,
ma'am.
did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Especially new student. Shell, were you late?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, Vandan. Keep the camera on so that I can see you and I can talk to you. When I share the screen, then you can switch off the camera if you have problem with the bandwidth. Okay. So today we have only 18 students. So one is missing. That is Vansh, I think. Who did not understand this conversion? Tell me. This is very basic. Now what we are going to do, the moment we change the number system, we will change the base. The method will remain same. It is very important. Okay, so keep dividing with 2, not 3, 4, 5, 6. You cannot decide the number on your own. So that is why base is important. Clear? So now what I will do is, I will take one more number and I will convert on my own. Okay, and then you will get one number to convert on your own. There is a shortcut method, but I never teach shortcut method on the very first day of the conversions. How many of you know shortcut method of decimal to binary conversion? Raise hand. I know, so I'm raising hand.
Forgot.
Forgot. Oh my God. What a brilliant answer. Forgot.
Just remember that 2, 4, 8, 16 like that it was, but
Yes. There is a
Something
series.
left.
There is a series of numbers that we will write and we will quickly see. On my finger, I can convert decimal to binary. This is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 8. So 8 is 1,000,000. Don't worry, I will teach you. Otherwise, especially the new students will feel ke ye ho kya raha hai? This is rocket science or computer science? Don't worry, this is computer science. Okay, so I will convert.
No, ma'am, roller coaster ride.
Okay, roller coaster ride. They will understand slowly, slowly. Don't worry. Okay, so I will take one more number and I will convert it to binary. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now or otherwise. See, I'm going very slow. This is first conversion, so I'm going very slow, and then you know that once you know I will teach you one conversion, then we'll go very quick. So let me share the screen. So I'm going to convert the number. Which number you want me to take? We have solved 25, right? So shall we take a simple even number? Yes. So let me take 16. Is it visible? Raise hand. If it is visible, Jia can raise hand. I can see Jia on the screen. Yes. So how to divide, from where to what number to divide? Where is Kirtan? My favorite Kirtan now. Yes, Kirtan.
Yes,
4
ma'am.
से divide करूं? 4 4 जा 16. खत्म.
No. With 2 because 2 is the base of
Wah
decimal
wah.
number.
See, great. See, in one day people change. He did not know
You are
the.
only teaching, madam, so everything I know.
Huh?
You are teaching, so we will understand only now.
Ay, maska. Okay, so 2 8s are 16. I will reduce the font pen size. Okay, so 2 8s are 16. I'm very sorry for my poor handwriting. I can't help it. I'm using an app called Google Keep. So at least it is giving us a feeling of a whiteboard. So 2 8s are 16. What will be the remainder here? 0.
8.
I have 16 chocolates. I'm dividing it between 2 students. So 8 8 to each. 0 is remainder. Okay, now Drashti will tell me now what to do, my dear Drashti.
You divided by 2 again.
Okay, then what will I write here?
4,
4. Yes. What will I write here?
0.
Yes. Now what will I do? Who will tell me? New students especially. All new students are my favorite. Aditya, I can see you on screen, so your turn.
I'm divide
Bhai, what happened? In the chat window, I have some messages. Bhai, what is this message, Priyanshu Shah? Where is Aditya?
Answer.
What? Aditya, tell me. Don't tell me that he has ended the meeting or he exit. Yes, I can see one more new student, that is Manish. So it is your turn.
Ma'am, you please divide by 2.
Yes. Then here,
10, 2.
2 2s are 4. In first standard, you have studied this. And here, what will I write?
0.
0. Yes. Next, whose turn it is? Yes, Shell.
2. We'll divide it by 2.
2. Here, what will I write?
1.
1. Here, what will I write?
0.
0. Now, Aditya's turn again because I can see you. Aditya.
and take 1 down as a remainder and
Yes.
then read upward.
This one I will write here. See, you can write 2 here. It doesn't make a difference, but this one I'll write here. Here you can write 0, or if you don't write anything, that is okay. Now, what is the answer? Who is left? Vandan will answer my question. What is the answer? I have converted 16 into binary, but I don't know what is the answer. Tell me.
10,000.
10,000. Wow. It is not 10,000. It is 10000 because there is no 10 number in binary. So how do we write this answer? We write from bottom to top. Okay, if you go from top to bottom, what will happen? Do you know? You might feel that direction is to galat hai. You will get a 0 mark because the answer will be very different. So always go from bottom to top. So what is the way to write the answer? There is a way to write the answer. So you will write 16. In which number system? It is in decimal number system. So write the base here. The base of the number system has to be mentioned here. Then write the answer here and write the base of the result, because I never know that this can be actually 10,000. How do I know that it is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0? Because I am writing 2 here. So this is the way you will solve the question for getting 2 mark, 1 mark or half mark. Okay, so this is decimal to binary conversion. Now tell me any problem? No? Then write down few questions. My gift. Let me write in chat window, that is better. Okay, Aditi has given me answer 10,000 and Priyanshu has given me 2 answers, 1,000 or 10,000. Okay. Yes, the answer is right. 10,000 means 1 4 times 0 is the correct answer. Now I'm writing some numbers like 57. You will solve this at home in any notebook. You can write. In the next class, I can ask you to show me your notebook like this. Okay, and then I will come to know that you have solved the question or not. And because now lockdown is not very strict, almost everything is open, I can visit you at your place also to check your notebook. You all are shocked. Trishna madam will come to my place. Don't worry, I will not come. Okay, that's why you should complete the homework. Then this is good. Bhai Anuj, I don't want answer. I know the answer. Nobody will write anything in the chat window. So there are 4 conversions that I have given you. One is 128. Let me write again. These people, you know, they're trying to show off. Oh, we know everything. You can show off on which date, you know? 4th July, I think. When is your computer paper, Anuj?
6th.
Huh?
Need to check again.
Wah, wah.
It's
So
on
smart. 4
6th
papers are
July.
left. They don't know the date. Okay, whenever it is, show off on that day and you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, we have 7 minutes. So this is your homework. 57, 122, 128 and 789. You have to convert from decimal to binary. Don't worry if you cannot convert 789 and the big number that I have given you, but at least 57 and others are very small numbers, so you can convert easily. Clear? Now the next conversion is the opposite one. Decimal ka binary ho gaya. Now how to convert from binary to decimal, that is our next, you know, task. So let me share the screen again. If you don't have any doubt, then I will quickly share the screen and we will see how to do it. Okay, so no thank you. We are here. We are here. Okay. Binary to decimal conversion. How to do this? See, please understand, in decimal to binary, I have divided with 2, 2, 2, 2. Now here I will multiply with 2. But I will not multiply only with 2. I will multiply with the 2 raised to n power, where n can be 0, 1, 2, 3, depending on the number. So what I will do is, I will put it on a big screen. Binary to decimal conversion, multiply each binary number with 2 having the power 0. So we will start with 0 power. 2 raised to the power 0. I hope you know what is the value of 2 raised to the power 0. Who will tell me? Raise hand and tell me. Who is that? I don't know. Priyansh? 2 raised to 0 is 1. Mahi has raised hand. Yes, Mahi. 2 raised to 0 is 1. Please remember this if you have not learned this till now. Remember this. Okay. So I will multiply with 2 raised to 0. Starting from the right digit. Right digit means the last digit. So if I am writing 101, the right digit is this one. Now you will feel that ये one और ये one same ही तो है, but makes a difference. Okay. Now increase the power one by one. So 2 raised to 0, then 2 raised to 1, then 2 raised to 2. Keep increasing the power. Base will remain same. Why base is important now? Did you understand? Sum up all the products. And then you will get your answer. Quickly, let's move to the new slide. I have already done one example. 1101 1001. This is your question. It is in which number system? It is in binary number system. Okay. So if I want to convert this number into decimal, what am I supposed to do? First, make these lines. Whenever you are having these kind of questions, the most important thing for you is pencil, scale, and eraser. Just think that you are having an art class. You are attending an art or, drawing class. So first make these lines. See, there is a purpose why we are writing like this. There is a way. Because if you write here, what will happen? You will not have so much of space here. That's why we have brought this 1 here. We have brought this 0 here. This 0 is here. This 1 is here. Now start with the first digit. And multiply it with 2 raised to 0. Next digit, 2 raised to 1. Then 2 raised to 2. Then 2 raised to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If the number is bigger, then you will keep increasing the power. 8, 9, 10, whatever. Okay. So now here, the thing is, your life is a little simple where you have a 0 digit. Jahan 0 hai, wahan answer kya hoga? 0. Because 0 multiplied with anything is 0. I hope you know math. 0 multiplied with 1 lakh is 0. Okay, so that is 0. Now here, the answer is 1 8 is 8, 1 16 is 16. 164, 64 and 128, 120. Now sum up all this when you add. Now don't add 1 here. Please understand this. This 128 mein agar you are adding 1, then it should be added here. 1 kahan aega? 8 ke saath. Don't write 128 plus this one means 228. You will go wrong. The place of the digit is very, very important, and that's why 1 is mentioned here and 128 we are writing like this. Okay. So now what if you don't know what is 2 raised to 2? 2 raised to 2 is 2 into 2. 2 raised to 3 will be 2 into 3. Na bhai na. 2 multiplied 3 times. This is 2 raised to power 3. This is 2 raised to power 2. Okay, so what is this? 2 raised to 7. So what we will do? 2 multiply 7 times. That is your 128. If you don't know, keep multiplying. This is 2 raised to 0 is 1. I have already told you. Ye 1 kahan se aaya? 2 raised to 0 is not 0. 2 raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2. 2 raised to 2 is 4. So answer is 217. So this is how you will convert from binary to decimal. So this method is your B to D. We have less than 1 minute, so the meeting will end at any time. What I can do is, you can solve any, I'm writing in the chat window. You can convert these numbers into decimal. 1100, 110,111. So we will meet next time, and I want you to keep these conversions ready with you. I have given you 6 conversions, 4 decimal to binary and 2 binary to decimal. If you have any problem, we will discuss in the next meeting. Okay, for the time being, if you have doubt, you can tell me. Yes.
Ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, repeat the question of binary to decimal.
I am writing in the chat window 1100 1100.